Well, we're here in Hemet, December 16th. Wind's blowing like hell. This big pine tree in my neighbor's front yard just ripped itself out of the ground. Whoa, sorry. I'm so sorry. Yeah, it's a rather tall tree. Say 30 foot, 40 foot. It's pretty much like this all over town. Pretty much everywhere is like this. Whoa. Damn, dude. Sure the camera wasn't out earlier. Who watched that thing fall? His fence over there is gone. You guys okay? Yeah? Okay. There's a tree. What's that?
From the hydrant, bro.
Ooh. Yeah. That would have been a better video. This fence over too, or no?
No, that one over there is between us and you.
Yeah.
I knew it! I knew! What did he say?